Hi. My name's Madison.
And I'm Alex.
And this is Kitty. And this is bucket number 9.
Yeah, and we got flex and lift today. I think we should go through the bucket, right?
Yeah.
Crying out loud, where's your Christmas spirit?
Well, first off, since it's on the table. Okay, so half 2-speed drill driver kit. Kitty will personally deliver that to you.
And in our bucket, got a nice Ariat hat. Got one of the new OPT t-shirts.
We have a DeWalt koozie, Hogan shirt.
Oh, a good old lift hard hat.
Here, look in there. What's in there? Get up, get in there. There you go. No, not all the way in there. Okay, you know, that's fine. We have lift, okay. We have lift, gloves.
Hey,
Lift gloves.
Left in there, Kitty?
We have lift, glasses, safety glasses. And there's stickers in here too.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You get that too.
I almost forgot. The last thing, which is, what is this?
It's a 7 1/4 rear handle circular saw kit.
All right, and on the 9th bucket, Christmas, we are doing 10% off select flex and lift items. Check out our 12 buckets of Christmas page for more details on what items are included in that. So yeah.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.